The best part of waking up is Jeremy Michael book. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Yesterday's vlog was kind of meh because I didn't really do anything, so I apologize for that. It probably wasn't totally exciting. But today is Caitlin's Christmas concert, so that's going to be awesome. I will film little snippets of the songs for that. And I'm getting ready to watch Jeremy Michael Book's Friday vlog. I started it yesterday and then didn't finish it because I just fell asleep a lot of the day because I was so tired. Oh my goodness, teacher tired to the extreme. So I'm hoping to get my lesson plans finalized today, and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. And we're going to travel to the town where Caitlin and I go to school and go to her concert. We might go out to eat afterward, do a little Christmas shopping, so I'll be sure to take you along. Oh my bleep-lobs, it's freezing outside, like literally. It's 16 degrees and it felt like it. Oh my goodness. Going out to feed the cats, my fingertips got numb. Those poor little kitties, toebies, must be frostbitten. Ah, they do have really thick fur, and they do have little storage houses that we built for them out of like Rubbermaid tubs. They're insulated, and they do like to go snuggle up in the trees that we have. They have like little nests out there, kind of. But still, I mean, when it's cold, man. There's no going around it. It's just cold. So, that's a brisk way to wake up your brain. Go outside and freeze it to death. So, needless to say, I don't stay outside too terribly long. I do try to give each of the little kitties some love before I go back inside. And I'll stay out there longer in the afternoon if it's a little warmer. But sometimes it's just too cold. I got 4 new little food dishes for them that shouldn't blow away because they're the little stainless steel ones. So I was like, oh, I have a surprise for you guys. Of course, they didn't care. It's just food. They didn't care. They just wanted the food that was in them. But those do not blow away like the little black ones that I've been saving do. So those will be okay when it's not windy and things. But it's been pretty windy lately. And I looked off the deck and yeah, we have more bowls on the ground. So I need to go on a bowl picking up expedition. Hey, look, there's a cat. What a shock. Mango's down here somewhere. She was playing in the Barbie tent, which is so cute. So cute. My husband told me the other day that he saw the cutest thing and he was about to take a picture and then they all moved. It's like they know. So we have a couple of extra chairs on the ends of our table, kind of up by the wall. And they're a little bit different style. So they have rungs on the bottom of them. So Mango was under the chair on the rungs, kind of like balancing like a trapeze artist. And Pikachu was sitting on the top, leaning over, and they were kind of playing with each other through the rungs of the chair. He said it was the cutest thing. You know, the 2 yellow kitties playing together. But he said as soon as he got his phone out to take a picture, they scattered. And he was like, I'm like, yeah, I know. I've missed a lot of really cute shots because of that too. There was another time, it was like last weekend, where he was sitting, my husband was sitting next to me, and he had Mango and Pikachu on him, and they just looked so cute snuggled up there. But then they left. As soon as I got my phone ready to take a picture, they left. Another cat ran by or something, they got distracted and they left. I'm like, darn it, that would have been so cute. But whatever, what are you gonna do, right? I'm trying to think about what I want to do when I'm gone for that half day on Thursday to go to court. And I said yesterday, I think I was going to leave a project for my sub because that'd be easier. So I was thinking I could leave my teacher iPad, which is this right here. Leave that for her or him. I'm putting YouTube back on it right now in the App Store because I had taken it off because it was taking up so much space. I wasn't able to do stuff on it. But I have deleted off like a lot of pictures and stuff and put them in my Google Photos. You know, it's like iCloud, but it's Google. I like it better, honestly, because you're not limited by space. iCloud is constantly telling me, you're out of space. Here, you can spend this much more and buy more storage. I'm like, no, Google Photos is free. Thank you. So if you have trouble with your iCloud storage, you might want to check out Google because you can access it from any computer, not just an Apple computer, and it's free. So yeah, and I just have my camera, photos, whatever, set to just automatically save in there. Like they stay in your phone too, but they automatically get saved in Google Photos as well. And you have all of them right there. So if your phone dies, like my old one did, I would have lost all my photos because I couldn't even shift them over because the screen died. So I don't have to worry about that now. So that means any videos I film on my phone, any pictures I take, saved in Google Photos. Nice. Alrighty, I'm going to get back to it. Oh, I got it done. I'll show you what I've got here. It immediately went to my page. And look who's on there. Some of our favorites. Look at there. Some of our absolute favorites on here. We got Pocket Full of Primary. Got Janice from One Happy Teacher. We have Talkin' Shock. Love her. And let's see who else. Some people that I don't know because, you know, YouTube tries to do suggestions for you. Lately, I've been getting a lot of weird suggestions. And I'm like, I guess they're just randomly giving you things to look at. But I'm like, there's some stuff that I'm like, that's an odd choice. Okay, thanks YouTube for trying to expand my mind. So I just go, I don't think I want to watch that video. And I just scroll past it. But every once in a while, I have found new teacher tubers on there because of the suggestion. So keep it up, YouTube. That's awesome that you give us that. So cool. All right, I'm just going to watch some Jeremy Michael book and eat some pastry because I'm feeling pastry today. So if you've never had brioche, I wouldn't suggest you eat it all the time because, you know, it's like cake basically, but it's yummy. And this one has the chocolate marbled in with the pastry. It's good stuff, Maynard. Good stuff. And then we've got my tried and true. Goodness, there was a lot of static on that bag. And then it like got stuck to the label. See, I ripped the label off. Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite go-tos. Cheese Danish. Yum. Love it, love it, love it. And these aren't super expensive. I mean, we're talking $3, $3.50, something like that. But, yep. So, like, if I was going to do a brunch or a fancy breakfast, you bet those two things would be on there. Okay. I'm going to eat a little bit. Drink a little bit of my coffee, watch a little bit of my Jeremy Michael book, and do some planning for the week. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I have to show you what I just found. So you know how the Elf last week left us the DVD of the Elf story? And I could never get it to play because I'm having some kind of problem with connecting my little DVD portable player thing to my AirPlay. For whatever reason, it's not working. Like I can play it through my computer just fine. But when I try to project it to the screen, I even go through the little VLP thing that we have. It's a video player and it won't work. Fiddled with it and fiddled with it and fiddled with it. Like wasted my whole lunchtime, wasted my whole recess time. And I couldn't get it to work. Well, I have Spectrum cable. And with that, you can watch TV through an app from the Spectrum app. And I noticed when I was looking through my on-demand things on the TV the other day, they had the Elf story. And I was like, oh, they have it on Spectrum on demand. Oh my gosh. Just now I went, oh my gosh, there's an app. I wonder, I don't know if on demand goes through the app though. And I was like, probably, but I just found this. Look, it's on my iPad. I'm so excited. Elf on the Shelf, an Elf story. So let's hope this plays just fine because I couldn't get Netflix to work on my board. I'm hoping I can get Spectrum to work on my board. Hulu wouldn't work the other day either. So we're just having all kinds of trouble. But I'm hoping YouTube works fine. So I'm hoping that this will work fine too. So I found Elf Story. And also, I don't know if I can show you, but look what else is on here. Elf Pets, Santa's St. Bernard's Save Christmas. I have the Elf Pet. That is going to come to our classroom sometime. So, how fun would it be to show that too? Like one of our last days of school before we're out for the holiday break, which will be in a week. Oh my goodness, which is exciting and frightening at the same time because I have a lot I need to get done. But, you know, it is what it is. It'll get done when it gets done. It'll be fine. It always gets done somehow. You know, I scramble and get everything done. So, yeah. So exciting. Yay. So I will let you know if it plays in my classroom. Yep. Okay, back to Jeremy Michael book, already in progress.
And then we fold it into threes, which will make 6 different squares.
So apparently the spinning wheel of death has followed me home. Looks like I'm gonna have to reset our modem. Someone had commented on a vlog not too long ago asking me about iReady and logging your class out and how to do it. So you need to log into your teacher part, whatever it's called, and then go up to classes. And you see how I have everything here? Whatever classes you have says log class out. And are you sure? Confirm. And then they should be logged out according to the app that I have. So yeah. We have one like set up for every block of our day, even though we don't have separate classes. We have self-contained classes in our building, but they have it set up like this. So there you go. Should log your entire class out. Okay, now let's click on here. You can see the students in the class and it says not logged in. So apparently it worked. Hope that was helpful. Now I'm on to LaTanya to catch up with her Vlogmas. Yay! If you do not watch LaTanya from Smarty Style, you totally should. She has the cutest little dog, Jenny, Genesis, and she is a 3rd grade teacher in Southern California. She's very fun to watch. She's very sweet. She's very smart. She's very cute, very stylish, and you would enjoy her. So weird. Last concert of senior year for Christmas. Very strange. Yep. She grew up watching these concerts and now she's the one doing them. Yep. Very strange. Now she's probably famished from all the singing.
Definitely.
She just asked if I wanted to go to Target. Silly girl, of course I do. Okay, always. I got this special peppermint mocha cafe latte at Target a little while ago and I want to try it. So it says it has 9 like the coffee pod things and 9 of the sweetened dairy packets. Let's see what we do here. Treat yourself to a holiday favorite featuring the creaminess of real chocolate and dairy and the zip of peppermint flavor, especially crafted to complement our smooth balanced cafe blend made from 100% Arabica coffee. All right, so let's see what we're supposed to do here. We have the pods. Yeah. Step 2. Step 1, add contents to mug before you brew. That's like when I add my Truvia first. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Let's see here. Let's try this. Okay, open this up. I'm package opening challenged. Oh, okay, there's a slit there. Woo. Add to mug. I feel like I need a bigger mug. Let's do this happy mug. Sorry, Snoopy. Taking you to the curb. Okay. Now, let's try. This one looks like a happy mug. Put that in there. Mmm. Smells like chocolate and peppermint. Okay. And then, guess we'll just brew it into the cup here. Boop. Okay. Smells really good. All right. All right. Let's see what we got here. Mix it all up. I need chunky monkey coffee. Right. Through the magic of time-lapse photography, we have peppermint mocha cafe latte. Let's give it a try. It smells really good. It's very pepperminty, like really strong. But for me, it needs to be sweeter. So we're gonna do a little doctoring here. Okay, take 4. That I could do. Yeah. If you like really strong peppermint mocha flavor, I think you'll like this. Just got it at Target, over in the coffee section. Cheers. Well, would you look at that? An actual tree is residing in the tree space. Look at there. Look at that. A tree. It's not decorated, but it's lit. And this is all thanks to my husband. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.